safety sunglasses on for this one. 2 more to go. Can we get her done? Oh, I might have had it on a little high. Remember, don't hit the button. I can't see anything. I don't have my glasses on. Oh, I don't like that pile of grease there either. Something's got to change here. Get my cord out of here without burning it or getting it in grease, which I did not do successfully. Yeah, maybe we can minimize the fires. Oh, got some on my gloves. I don't like it when sparks fall down. Come on now. I guess I should have